In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. So, you've got a blue underlined link and you want to remove it from your Word document. Here are 4 ways that you can do it. Method 1, we've got a single hyperlink here to my website. In order to remove it, we right-click it and simply click Remove Hyperlink. For method number 2, we right-click it, edit hyperlink, and then remove link. It'll keep the text. In method number 3, we've got 2 hyperlinks. This method will remove the hyperlinks to any hyperlink that's in your Word document. Press Ctrl A, then Ctrl Shift F9. Every hyperlink in a document is removed instantly. Whenever you type a link into a Word document and then press space, it will automatically turn it into a hyperlink. And there will be times where you actually don't want it to be a hyperlink. To undo this, simply undo it. Press Ctrl Z and your link will remain, but it no longer be a hyperlink. In some cases, you don't want hyperlinks to be created at all. Perhaps you're writing a document with lots of different links, but you don't want them hyperlinked. You can do this. Click File, click Options, click Proofing, click Autocorrect Options, and you're going to untick Internet and Network Paths with hyperlinks. Then click OK, and then OK again. This time when I type in my link, and I go next to it, press space, no hyperlink will be created. If one of these methods has helped you remove hyperlinks from your document, then like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about hyperlinks and how to insert them and customize them, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link's in the description below.